Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. All links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today we're looking at Timely Booking, a powerful scheduling software solution found at timelybooking.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline appointment booking and management. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business owner, or managing a larger team, Timely has features that can simplify your scheduling process. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and customize to fit your specific needs. You can embed the booking widget directly onto your website, allowing clients to self-book appointments 24/7. This eliminates the back-and-forth emails and phone calls, freeing up valuable time for you to focus on your core business. Timely also boasts robust reporting and analytics features, providing valuable insights into your business performance. Furthermore, it integrates with a variety of other platforms, further enhancing its versatility and streamlining your workflow. From managing client information and sending automated reminders to processing payments and tracking staff performance, Timely Booking provides a complete solution for managing your appointments and optimizing your business operations. This makes it a compelling option for businesses seeking a comprehensive and efficient scheduling platform. In addition to its core features, Timely offers various customization options, allowing you to tailor the system to your branding and preferences. You can customize the booking widget to match your website's aesthetic, ensuring a seamless user experience for your clients. The system also supports multiple staff members and locations, making it suitable for businesses of various sizes and complexities. Another key feature is its mobile accessibility, allowing you to manage your appointments on the go. With its user-friendly mobile app, you can stay connected and in control of your schedule no matter where you are. So, if you're looking for a robust and user-friendly scheduling solution, Timely Booking is certainly worth exploring. Head over to timelybooking.com to learn more and explore its features in greater detail. You might find it's just the tool you need to take your scheduling and business management to the next level.